Hello friends, welcome back to chapter number 14, Statistic. Well, as you know, there are main three articles in this chapter. The first article, that is mean, and it is denoted by x bar. The second article is mode, and that is denoted by z. And the third article of this chapter is median, and it is denoted by m. You know the formula of mean, that is x bar. The first formula is sigma fi xi upon n. This is general formula. You can also use the formula for assuming mean. So x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon n, where di is equal to xi minus a, where a is assumed mean. Similarly, the third method is step deviation method. A plus sigma fi ui upon n into h, where ui is equal to xi minus a upon h, or you can also write c. C means class length, h means class length. So we have already solved many examples of mean of group data by using these three formulae. Well, the second article is z. Z is equal to mode. Mode, the formula is z is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. You know how to find out L as well as f1, f0, f2 as well as h, means class length. Well, we have also solved many examples to find out the mode of group data, that is exercise number 14.1. So the mean, that is exercise number 14.1, and mode means exercise number 14.2. Now, in last lecture we have discussed the formula to find out the median of a group data. So m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon Fi into h. Now, how to use this formula in different examples? So here you need number 1 L, that is lower limit. You need n by 2, means total number of observation divisible by 2. We need CFI, that is cumulative frequency. We need Fi, and we also need h, that is known as C, and that is known as what? Class length. So let us start to solve some example to find out the median of a group data, that is exercise number 14.3. Example number 1. Well, the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers. So you know here n is equal to 68. Because there are 68 consumers of a locality, find the median of the data. So you have to find out the median. So m is your question mark. Now data is given to you. Let me write down the data. So first one, that is classes are given to you. So first class is 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, and 185 to 205. Frequencies are also given to you. Let me write down the frequency in 7 column. 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, and 4. According to given information, the total number of frequency is 68. Well, this is given to you. Now your aim is to find out the value of median for this group data. Well, here you have to find out only 3 columns. The first column, that is class, second column is FI, classes are also given to you, FI is also given to you. Like median, like mean, there is no need to find out XI. So here you have to directly find out CFI. CFI means cumulative frequency. So let me explain first how to find out the cumulative frequency. So here you have to write 4. 4 plus 5 means 9. 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14 means 56. 56 plus 8, that is 64. And 64 plus 4 means 68. So the meaning is, first 4 observation lies in this group. The 5th to 9th observation lies in the group of 85 to 105. Similarly, 10th observation to 22nd observation, they lies in 105. Similarly, the last 4 observation means 65 to 68 observations lies in the class of 185 to 285. So this is the meaning of cumulative frequency CFI. So when your question is to find out the median of a data, first of all you have to prepare one table, and this table contains 3 columns. First column, that is class, is already given to you. Second is FI, is also given to you. The third column is CFI. Now you know how to find out the CFI, cumulative frequency. There is no need to find out the total of all cumulative frequencies. Well, now let me explain how to find out these 5 things. Number 1, L, N by 2, CFI, FI and H. Well, you know, total number of observation is 68. So the half of 68, you know, median means middle observation. So half of the observation means 34. So N by 2 is equal to 34. So 34th observation lies in this group. So first of all, find out median class. Median class means the class in which the middle observation lies. So here middle observation means 34. 23rd to 42nd observation lies in this group. So this is your median group. So median group is equal to 125 to 145. So this is your frequency and this is your CFI. So CFI, FI, and this is known as L. So friends, in this example, L is equal to 125, N by 2 is equal to 34, CFI means 22, FI means 20, and class length, as you know, you have to find out 85 minus 65 means 20. So the class length is 20. Now you know the formula. So the formula is M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CFI upon FI into H. What is L? L means 125 plus N by 2 means 34 minus CFI means 22 upon FI means 20 into H. H means 20. 85 minus 65, 105 minus 85 means 20. And here FI is also 20. So you can cut this. So the answer is 125 plus 34 minus 12 means 2 and 12. 125 plus 12 means 7, 3 and 137. So friends, median of this example is 137. So from given example, first of all, find out one table. This table contains 3 columns. The first column is class given to you. Second column is Fi is also given to you. You have to prepare third column, that is CFI. Now you know how to find out CFI. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 13 22, 22 plus 20 42. In this way 64 plus 4 is equal to 60. After preparing this table, then you have to find out the median class. Median group or median class means the class in which your middle observation lies. The middle observation is 34. The 34 lies in this group. So find out this group. Frequency again this group is known as F. The frequency in the previous class, cumulative frequency of a previous class, then the median class, that is known as what? CFI. Find out the value. Put the values in example. Simplify. You will get the median of a data. Well, so friends, let me start another example. How to find out the median of a data. Well, second example. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. Well, so in this example, median is given to you. So value of M is equal to 28.5. This is given to you. Find the value of X and Y. Two unknowns are there, number X and number Y. So your question is to find out X and Y. Well, the frequency is given to you. Let me prepare a table first. So you know the first one is class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, as well as the last one is 50 to 60. Frequencies are also given to you. The first one is 5, then X, 20, 15, Y and 5. If the median of the frequency and total is also given to you, that is 60. Now your question is to find out X and Y in this example. Well, you know the formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Fi upon Fi into H. Well, so the total one is given to, that is 60. So let me add this one, that is known as what? Fi. 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 15, 35, 35 plus 5 means 40. So 40 plus X plus Y is equal to 60. So X plus Y is equal to 60 minus 40. So the first answer is X plus Y is equal to 20. So this is your first formula. So if you find X, put the value of X, you can easily find out Y. Now find out CFI, that is cumulative frequency. You know how to find out the cumulative frequency. The first one is 5. Then you have to write 5 plus X. If you add this, you get 25 plus X. If you add this, you get 40 plus X. When you add this one Y, so you get 40 plus X plus Y. See here, you get 45 plus X plus Y. Well, 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30, 40 and 45. So here in place of 40, write down 45. So here it is 45 and the total one X plus Y is equal to 50. So 45 plus X plus Y is equal to 60. So you get one equation in the form of X and Y. Same procedure, same formula, but here you have to write X and X. When you add this Y, it becomes what? 40 plus X plus Y. When you add 5, it gives you 40 plus 5 means 45 plus X plus Y. Now write down the formula. Well, so M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon F into H. Well, here H means 10. M is given to you, that is 28.5. Now, the median is given to you, that is 28.5. So the median 28.5 lies in this class because it is 20 to 30. So 28.5 lies something else between 20 to 30. So this is your median class. So median class is equal to 20 to 30. So L is equal to 20. Fi is equal to also 20. CFI is equal to 5 plus X. And as you know, H is equal to 10. Now put the value. 28.5 is equal to 20 plus n by 2 means 30 minus CFI. CFI is 5 plus X upon F. F means 20 into H means 10. So 10 2s are 20. So 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5 minus X upon 2. So 28.5 minus 20 means 8.5. When you multiply it gives you 2 is equal to 25 minus X. 30 minus 5, 25 minus X. So 17 is equal to 25 minus X. So X is equal to 25 minus 17. So X is equal to 8. So now you know the value of X is equal to 8. So put the value of X is equal to 8 in the equation number 1. This is number 1. This is number 2. Put the value of equation 2 in equation number 1. So here X plus Y is equal to 15. 8 plus Y is equal to 15. So Y is equal to 15 minus 8. So Y is equal to 7. In this way you can easily find out the value of X and Y. So we have all two examples. The second example is totally different from the first example. No doubt you have to use same formula, same table, but here two frequencies are unknown, that is X and Y. So your question is to find out value of X and Y, and one very important thing, that is median is already given to you. So from median 28.5 is lies in this class, so you can easily find out the median class. From median class you can easily find out L. The frequency against this is known as what? Fi. The frequency, cumulative frequency previous class is 5 plus X. So 5 plus X, 10 minus 10, 20 minus 10, 30 minus 20. So X is equal to 10. Put the value. And here 45 plus X plus Y is equal to 60. So prepare one equation in terms of X and Y by using formula of median. Find out the value of X, put the value of X in this equation, you will get value of Y. So in this way you can solve median of a data. As you know friends, there are main three articles: mean, median and mode. In exercise number 14.1 we have solved mean. In 14.2 we have completed already mode of a group data. Now in this period we have solved how to find out the median of a group data. The formula is M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus EFI upon FI into H. Well, only 6 examples are there in this exercise. We have already solved 2 examples. One is simple example to find out the median of a data. In second example, median is given to you and you have to find out the missing frequency. Important example for your exam point of view. The second example is very important. How to find out the unknown values, that is X and Y. Well, so in next period we will start another 4 example of median, that is example number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Well, thank you friends.